In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show and hide items with a checkbox with no macro in Excel. This is a simple and useful trick if you want to create an interactive checklist or a filtered list without writing any VBA or using macros. We'll be using Excel's built-in checkbox control along with a linked cell and a filter, so everything stays easy to manage and beginner-friendly. Start by going to an empty sheet in Excel so you have a clean space to build your list. Once you're there, open the Developer tab. If you already have it enabled, great. From the Developer tab, look for the Controls section and click Insert. From the options that appear, choose the checkbox control. Now, when you draw the checkbox, hold down the Alt key while placing it inside an empty cell. This helps the checkbox snap neatly into the cell boundaries, which makes your worksheet look much more organized. Clean alignment is especially helpful if you plan to add multiple checkboxes. After inserting the checkbox, right-click on it and choose Format Control. In that window, find the Cell Link option. Click the drop-down or selection box there and link the checkbox to an empty cell. This linked cell is important because it will display either true or false, depending on whether the checkbox is checked. That value is what Excel will use later for filtering. Next, type your item in the cell to the right of the linked cell. So the linked cell will hold the true or false result, and the item beside it will be the text you want to show or hide. Once you've done that, repeat the same process to add more checkboxes and more items. Make sure each checkbox is linked to its own empty cell beside the corresponding item, so each row works independently. When your list is ready, the next step is to add a filter so you can control what appears. Highlight your list and make sure to include one header row at the top, since Excel needs a header to create the filter properly. Then go to the Home tab. On the far right, in the Editing section, click Sort and Filter, and then choose Filter from the drop-down. You'll now see filter arrows appear on your header row. Go to the filtered data, open the filter for the linked cell column, and choose True. This means that every time you check a box and refresh or update the filter view, Excel will only display the selected items. Unchecked items, which show false, can be hidden from view. This method is a great no-macro solution for building dynamic task lists, selection sheets, or simple dashboards in Excel. If this tutorial helped you, please consider subscribing. We post new software tutorials every day to help you get the most out of your favorite tools. Thanks for watching.